Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Fiverr and how to create a logo and sell it as a freelancer. So after you create the account, you'll see yourself at the dashboard here where you can get inspiration. You can see what people are creating. So for the logo, we have logo and brand identity, the logo design, the brand style guide, business card and stationery, font and typography. And we have the logo maker tools. So let's click on the logo design. Stand out from the crowd with a logo that fits your brand personally. Now I will show you how it works. So here we have the logo options, the 3D, the modern, the vintage, and seven more categories. Let's choose okay, let's go with the 3D. We have the file format. It doesn't matter. The service include 3D mockup. No. For now, let's just apply for the 3D. We have the seller detail. Now you are buying a logo. And the delivery time, pro service, local seller, online seller. And you can here navigate if you wanna buy. And I think if you wanna create, you head to the logo maker. Make a professional logo in a few clicks. Type your brand name. Make your logo. Now add your slogan. Slogan is something like motivating or you will get it. Sorry. The Eternal Peacemaker. I don't know what is this, but I choose it. Select your industry. What? Okay, let's just put 3 or 1 category. Just putting gaming everywhere. Add elements you would like your logo to include, like dog, book. Deal with it. Have a logo style in mind. No, no, I don't. But okay, I don't have. Define your brand personality. Accessible, premium. Let's make it more accessible. Classic or modern, in the middle. Traditional, no. Fun, yes. Simple, sophisticated. So just wait. Now let's go. Ooh, I like the fox. So you can take screenshots because they have something here. Fever, 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 fever. So you won't just shield the logo. Okay. This is the TikTok shape and it has different type. You just click on the logo. The fox or the serpent is it? We have guns, 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 planets, robots, intelligence, tank. The tank thing looks good. Ooh, something like the Free Fire logo. Oh, amazing. You can customize the design or you can buy it. I absolutely love it. Okay, got it. Let's navigate here. Nope, this is the best. Let's see the buy-in thing and choose your logo package. The essential high quality PNG logos for digital use. instant delivery, full commercial rights, high quality PNG files, transparent background. Wait, it's just for $30 or per month? Let's download the sample and continue. Here we have professional. All the logo file you will need for the website. Okay, where is my logo? Oh, just examples. Okay, let's keep moving. The professional has what's the essential have plus print ready, SVG source file, website and app logo files, and social media kit, brand style guidelines, and Zoom background. The unlimited has what professional and essential have, and can edit and download your logo as many times as you would like for rebranding needs. Unlimited revision of your logo, which means unlimited edits, which means you won't have any problem with. Okay, let's add it to the liked list because I really like this. Why would I need to customize it? It's perfect. And why I can't take screenshots? You know what? I don't think I have a problem with this Fiverr thing. Let's just let's just clip it here. Just kidding, I won't do this. Look, it's beautiful. Let's go back. So this is how to create a logo and how to buy it and how to sell it to people. But I don't think we saw how to put a logo to sell it. My account is yeah, my profile is a seller or a buyer. Ready to earn your own terms, member since today. Description, languages, linked account, I skipped that. Skills, why do I have gaming in skills? I don't even have games. Not here, not here, here. And I think that's it for today's video. You know how to make a logo, how to buy it, and how to sell it, and you know the price. That's the essential for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.